Come on! Move! Thank you! Hey! Come on! Turn that leg! Move! We go!
We want to thank Kampala that showed up today in terms of coming for this worthy cause of trying to bring some life to a few public schools. We've been able to raise about 948 million shillings, 400 million in cash. The balance of it is in kind, which has been really great. Remember, we had a target of 1 billion shillings. We think by the end of the week we should be able to get the 1 billion shillings that we need for that purpose.
It was fun. I ran 10 kilometers. It was fun, though I have a few muscle pulls, but I guess it will be good for me.
We'll make sure that there is a school we pick from each region. It must be a public school. It must have good governance structure. There's a PTA that's active. It must be one that has good relationship with the district, one that at least we know is non-partisan and government aided.